Hi, hello and welcome to My Album Zone. Myself Jyoti Reddy. Today this video is purely about starting this sublimation business on your own. Please watch this video till end to have a complete understanding about this business. Okay, so let's unbox the 5-in-1 combo machine and I'll help you understand what all comes as a set in this box. So this is the 5-in-1 combo machine set you will get in this. So firstly you'll have a power cable, so plate printing machine, cap printing machine, mug printing machine, and below this we'll have a flatbread 5-in-1 combo machine. So you can see this is the machine we are talking about. This totally comes as a set and so we call it as a 5-in-1 combo machine. As you all can see, so there is a flatbed that comes with a power cable, and so this is the box where we do, once it turns on, so here we set up the temperature and the timing for each product. So we will also help you with a chart where each product will have a different timings, different temperatures to be set, so that we will help you in the part of training. So this is completely hardware. There is no software required, no installations required. Directly you can just buy this machine, plug and start using it. So this is a flatbed where you can use to print all the flat items. It could be a keychain, it could be a polyester t-shirt, fridge magnet, or any kind of photo frames. So a lot of MDF material articles can be printed in this particular flatbed machine. Along with this you will get this 11-ounce mug machine. So in this you can print any kind of mug. It could be a white mug, color mug, it could be a magic mug, or any kind of ceramic mugs can be printed in this. Along with this you will get a 6-ounce coil. So this is 11-ounce coil and this is 6-ounce coil. This 6-ounce coil is used to print a zipper bottles and a 6-ounce ceramic mugs. So you have to just unscrew this 4 screws and just insert this so that you can start using it as a 6-ounce coil. Added to that there will be a plate pressing machine component and a cap printing component. So to use this you have to completely dismantle the flatbed what you see here. So now we are done with the hardware part, the 5-in-1 combo machine. So along with machine we would need one printer. So it could be L8050, Epson L8050. In this you will have 6 colors. Apart from this, if you want a budget friendly printer, you can also opt for L130, which is 4-color printer. So prices will vary. So up to 11,000 L130 will cost you, and this will go up to 27,000. So apart from printer, you will also need to buy ink colors. For L8050 you should buy 6 colors, and for L130 you should buy 4 colors. So added to that you should also have these 2 components, which is a S-Race paper. We use a branded one. We recommend the same to all of you who buy material or machines from us, and a heat tape. So this 5 things: combo machine, printer, ink, paper and tape. This is a basic setup you would need to start this sublimation business. So now we understood what is the machines required, what all material can be done. So let me also explain who all can start this business. So this machine operating can be trained by us. So when you buy this machine, we will train you for 1-2 hours on how to operate this machine. The biggest challenge is in creating the designs. When a customer walks into your shop, they may give some photos and ask you to put it on a mug or maybe a pillow or maybe a photo frame. You should have that skills where you can do a design or maybe an artwork. So this cannot be helped by us. We are not going to provide any training on design part. You should have your own skills on doing a designs. Now designs you can do it in 2 ways. One, you can have a Photoshop installed in your system, and having that Photoshop skills you can develop the design. 2, in case if you are not familiar with Photoshop, there is a online software called Canva. Many of you are familiar with that particular software, I assume. So using that Canva tool you can also do the designs. Now whatever the designs has been done, you have to take a printout in a sublimation paper using that sublimation printer. The same printout what we have taken has to be transferred onto the particular object. It could be a coffee mug, it could be a pillow, or it could be any photo frame, or maybe any photo printed collages, or whatever the product the customer chooses. So those articles are printed in this combo machine using certain temperature and timing. Once it is printed, these sublimation articles are one-time printing. It can't be reused again and again. In case if you do any mistake while printing, it's done. You have to print completely on a new object. Now if you ask me what is the overall budget you may want to start this business, so roughly around 70 to 80,000 rupees you may need to start this, which includes machinery and few material, and that's not a fixed pricing. That's a budget I'm talking about. It all depends on what all material you choose and what quantity you choose. Many of you have a confusion about printing t-shirts in this combo machine. Among 10 calls, we get at least 7 people asking for t-shirt printing machine. So let me clearly explain how this machine is used for t-shirt printing. So this is basically a pressing machine, right? And everything and anything happens in the printer. So now the printer, what we gonna give you, and the ink what we gonna use, especially a sublimation ink. When you put a sublimation ink, this is purely used for only sublimation printing. In this concept, in sublimation concept, only white color, light color t-shirts can be printed, right? White color, light color, and especially polyester, no cotton. Whoever want to start the sublimation gifting business, we are here to support you. So we have machinists provided, we have material provided, and slightly we can help you with the PSD templates as well. So please walk into our shop between Monday to Saturday 11 to 9 p.m. to understand this machine and buy it. Okay, and in case if you can't get into this business immediately by buying these machines, we are also here to help you with a B2B model. You can also buy material from us, printed material from us, and sell it. For that we have a membership plan. For more details, you can WhatsApp us saying membership on this below number. We will give you a links where you can understand what is the membership cost and what is the percentages you will get by selling these printed products. Thank you.